Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hungry Jack pancakes. First, gather your ingredients: the Hungry Jack mix, water, and a small amount of oil. Next, preheat your griddle to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your pancakes cook evenly. Finally, combine the mix with the specified amounts of water and oil in a mixing bowl. Now, let's perfect that batter. Mix your ingredients until they are just combined. It's okay to leave a few small lumps. This is actually ideal for fluffy pancakes. The key here is to avoid overmixing, as this can lead to tough, flat results. After mixing, let the batter rest for 2 to 3 minutes. This brief pause helps the ingredients fully hydrate. It's time to cook. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto your preheated griddle. Watch closely. You'll know they are ready to flip when bubbles start to form on the surface and the edges appear dry. Once you see these signs, carefully flip them over. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes on the second side until they are beautifully golden brown. Your delicious Hungry Jack pancakes are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately with your favorite toppings, whether that's syrup, fruit, or whipped cream. Here's a pro tip for extra fluffiness. Try adding 1 egg to your batter before mixing. It makes a noticeable difference. Also, for those interested in improving their financial mindset, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.